Hi, welcome back. My name is Yadi and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for those who like to continue learning. In this video, we are going to be going over Barber practice test number 2. So if you are a barber that is studying for your state board written test, I hope you find all of this information helpful. But keep in mind, it is important that you read your textbook for more information on each subject. Information is not limited to the one shown in this video. This is a 20 question and answer practice test going over shaving and beard design, hair color, permanent waving and relaxing, nail and skin physiology. If you find all of this helpful, don't forget to share it with a friend, give it a thumbs up, and consider subscribing. Good luck on your test. With that being said, let's get started. Number 1, what fungal infection usually happens in older adolescent and adult men? Is it A, psychosis barbae, B, bumps, C, tinea barbae, or D, pseudofolliculitis barbae? The answer is C, tinea barbae. Number 2, adding a close-cut beard can visually soften the shape of the jawline for which profile? A, convex, B, concave, C, angular, D, straight. The answer is C, angular. Number 3, why is lather used during a facial shave? A, to create a smooth surface for shaving. B, to tone the skin. C, to create a rough surface for shaving. D, to toughen the skin. The answer is A, to create a smooth surface for shaving. Number 4, neck hair usually grows A, downward, B, in a circular pattern, C, upward, D, in a disruptive pattern. The answer is C, upward. Number 5, when should a barber use an electric shaver instead of a straight razor? A, for clients who do not want a smooth, clean shave. B, for clients who do not want stubble. C, for clients who are late to their appointment. D, for clients who are prone to ingrown hairs. The answer is D, for clients who are prone to ingrown hairs. Number 6, demi-permanent colors are not designed to A, lift existing natural hair color, B, last 4 to 6 weeks, C, add tone, D, deposit color. The answer is A, lift existing natural hair color. Number 7, what type of perm generates its own heat through a chemical reaction? A, digital wave, B, exothermic, C, cold wave, D, regular wave. The answer is B, exothermic. Number 8, what influences how a barber will distribute the hair before wrapping a perm? A, the selected wrapping pattern. B, the size of the perm rod. C, the shape of the base. D, direction the client will wear their hair. The answer is D, direction the client will wear their hair. Number 9, sodium hydroxide relaxers are also known as A, lye relaxers, B, base chemical relaxers, C, thiol relaxers, D, no lye relaxers. The answer is A, lie relaxers. Number 10, a pool test is performed to check for which of the following conditions? A, brittleness, B, melanin, C, elasticity, D, porosity. The answer is C, elasticity. Number 11, the function of a curl activator is to provide moisture and A, protect the hairline, B, help retain shape of a new curl configuration, C, further straighten hair, D, prevent frizziness. The answer is B, to help retain shape of a new curl configuration. Number 12, the thickest skin is located on the A, palms of hands and soles of feet, B, abdomen, C, thighs, D, legs. The answer is A, palms of hands and soles of feet. Number 13, what is a major function of the sudoriferous glands? A, provide skin its color. B, protect the skin's elasticity. C, regulate body temperature. D, give skin texture. The answer is C, regulate body temperature. Number 14, verruca is a name given to a variety of A, fissures, B, skin tags, C, ulcers, D, warts. The answer is D, warts. Number 16, tinea barbi is a skin infection name for its location, which is the A, beard, B, scalp, C, hands, D, nails. The answer is A, beard. Number 16, any disease, disorder, or condition of the nail is called A, onychology, B, etiology, C, onychosis, D, onyx. The answer is C, onychosis. Number 17, the most common nail shape worn by men is A, round, B, oval, C, squoval, D, square. The answer is A, round. Number 18, what massage movement is performed by kneading the muscle between the thumb and fingers? A, tapotement, B, petrissage, C, effleurage, D, friction. The answer is B, petrissage. Number 19, white spots on the nail caused by an injury in which a small separation happens between the nail and the nail bed is called A, leukonychia, B, bruised nail, C, hang nail, D, blue nail. The answer is A, leukonychia. Number 20, what is the nail condition that can be indicated by a green discoloration on the nail plate? A, bitten nail, B, bruising, C, onychorhexis, D, bacterial infection. The answer is D, bacterial infection. That concludes this video. I hope you're finding all of this information helpful. If you are, don't forget to share it with a friend. Let me know in the comments your thoughts. Are you getting ready to take your state board written test? I want to wish you guys the best of luck on your exam. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your continued support. Let's keep going. Let's keep growing. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.